It is vital that you have a proof of insurance in your vehicle at all times. For those who buy their coverage online, they have the ability to obtain a temporary card immediately after they buy the policy. Because you will need to have that to prove your coverage when you are stopped or involved in a collision, it will be very important that you can obtain this. Whether you are buying online or at the office of your agent, you will find that you get a temporary card right away. It is important that you have this option available to you in order to be legal when you are on the road. In the past it was more difficult to obtain these proofs immediately. However, today you can reprint them as well as getting them right away. The law requires that you have this with you at all times. Not having that piece of paper that proves you automobile coverage can result in an enormous fine for you. In addition, you are likely to find that if you do not have the necessary documentation, you might not be able to drive your vehicle away either. This can be very bad news in most cases. It is likely up to the officer to make the decision on that, however. Some states have a no-tolerance policy that says if you have no documentation of coverage, your vehicle will be impounded. It makes no difference if you actually have the coverage or not. If you cannot prove it through a document, you will have to bail your car out of impound later as well as find a ride home to get that document. States often have very strict requirements for this documentation among other types. As most people are aware, when you are stopped by a police officer, you will be asked for 3 pieces of documentation: proofs for your coverage, your driver's license and your vehicle registration. Failure to provide all of these can result in a heavy fine that you will need to pay. Carrying your proof of insurance is critical. While there are times when you will not be able to gain access to it due to an accident that has made your vehicle unsafe to enter, most of the time you will be able to get the documents for the officer. If you are unable to provide the requested papers, you might find yourself in possession of a new piece of paper, a ticket. Motor vehicle owners, check out our INS video for great tips on how to get proof of insurance online, now. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.